Okay, so welcome to CES. You may not be able to hear me because it's so noisy here, but these are all about automotive. BMW X7. And this is Lucid. I'm sorry there's a ton of people here, but so Lucid is a EV, and I've not seen this version before. This is a Gravity. It's a nice big trunk. Nice. So that's going to be for me. Trap your fingers in. Now check out the dashboard. So much cleaner than some of the EVs that are out there. It's gonna be big. There's always gonna be a lot of people. So we'll just keep going. So that was the Lucid Gravity. Let's see what's on this side.
I live in New York, so...
I see that. I was like,
The guy say, I'd have a car, live in New York. Because in New York City, you know, if all you're doing is just city, you don't really need a car. So this is the Volvo. Which one it is. Then we have a Jeep, Mercedes, actually Audi. Now we have Zoox. So Zoox, it's been driving around Vegas, so I actually have some videos to add. It is very cool. You can jump on the app and get a free ride. The only problem is that I tried getting a free ride, and it just tells me not available because there's too many people trying to book it. So that's kind of what it is. But that is a Zoox. Basically, you download the app if you're in Vegas. It's Zoox, and then you press the button. When it shows up, it lets you in, drives you around the city autonomously. There's no driver, and there's no, I guess it's a front or back, but yeah, it is a front because the wheels are right here, excuse me. But everyone's of course taking pictures and stuff with it, but you see it running up and down the strip. I have some videos. If you go back to my channel, you can just search Zoox, you can see them on there once I upload them. Excuse me a sec. Holds 4 people. It can hold your stuff as well. But it's cool. I've been seeing this for a few years, at least 2 years at CES, and so it was interesting to see that it actually works, and I got a ride in one, so you can take a look at the video. So that is Zoox. Go download the app. Okay. Some of these cars, this regular car, they're just demonstrating technology. So oftentimes you'll come here and you'll see some vehicles and you'll never see them again doing anywhere. So this is Alps Alpine is the car. Oops, I'm sorry. Good, how are you doing? While you wait, this is Alps Alpine. They've gone to find out if I can talk to somebody and get some information on what they're doing. Well, apparently I can't talk to anyone who owns Alps Alpine. Like, I don't understand why you're at CES and you have a car which looks really cool, but you don't want to talk to anybody about it. It's just like, it's cool, it's whatever. Some companies are just dumb. It's like, don't show up at CES if that's what you're gonna do. But anyway, that's Alps Alpine. It's silly. But anyway, so now this is the BMW X3, which tons of people sitting in it, all kinds of cool stuff, but it's that by appointment. This is one of the things when you come to CES that happens. People just, whatever. Anyway, let me carry on. So let's look at Mercedes. What do we have here? The Sequoia, it's the van. So this is kind of cool. I think that this is just like the passenger layout of the actual vehicle. That's actually neat. And this is, I think this is the current one. And it's cool because this is where they're going, this is what they're testing. The baby's back there. Now, some of the things you never think about for CES is so GWM, which means something to the kids, get ready with me, or get, no, that's GRM, so I'm getting it wrong. So this is the GWM Tank 500. I've not heard of GWM before. So this is, hello, how you doing?
I love your bag.
Thank you, thank you. Well, I had to get a smaller one because I'm going to the Sphere later, and you can't have big ones.
Very smart thinking, but I
Yeah.
like that.
Thank you.
Have you seen our Tank 500 before?
No. What is GWM?
So it is great.
It's
Great
okay.
Wall Motors.
Hear the
Like, I
thing.
hope you're not recording
No.
in China.
Oh, okay.
Great Wall Motors. So they are based in China, but they have amazing technology in their vehicles as well as luxury. That's what we pride ourselves on. Is
Wow.
efficiency and luxury. Please take
Can
a
I
look
go
at
in?
the inside.
Yeah. And, oops. Oh, okay.
So please
Oh my
take
God.
a seat, get comfortable.
Yes. Ooh.
So what you see in front of you, this is what we call our smart cockpit. It's pretty much like you're a pilot in your own plane. You have the camera here for your rear view. For when you're reversing, this is for your rear view. So there's actually 2 cameras in the back, and we have 27 cameras in the whole vehicle. So it's very, very safe. That's one of our things we pride ourselves on, is safety and efficiency.
And it feels like a regular car. I like the fact that it feels that way.
It's very cozy, right? Very luxury
Yeah.
too. And then it has these amazing luxury features. So one that I'll show you if you want to open the middle console.
Okay.
So inside of there is actually going to be a little refrigerator, but it also holds hot food as well.
No way.
And if you put your hand in there, it's probably cold.
Yeah, it is cold.
Yeah, isn't that nice?
Yeah.
Then we do have the authentic leather seats as well. So the interior is authentic leather. Right
I like
behind
it.
your headrest actually is a speaker. So the same noise canceling that you have in ear pods, you have in your headrest. So if
I
you're
love it.
driving
I
along
love
with
it.
a child or something of that nature, you don't have to get distracted.
Nah, this is cool. This,
Yes,
I love
that's
that.
one of my
Yes.
favorite features.
I love that.
It just helps you make sure efficiency and safety is our priority.
And it's nice and wide.
And it's crystal clear.
I know, it's very clear. It's like I'm watching TV.
And so all of our screens are self-dimming as well. So as the days go on, they do adjust to help with your eyes. This does have parking assist as well, which is very convenient. So it does have that up-to-date technology.
So, and it's automatic. It's very cool. And I can charge my phones here.
And yes, you can. 2 phones at that.
All right.
So yeah, this car is amazing. And I don't know if I mentioned this one off-road as well.
Ah, neat.
And it is a hybrid, so you get to save on fuel.
Very cool. Thank you.
Of course. Thank you for checking it out.
Oh, absolutely.
You can still check out the trunk back here. The trunk is actually really nice. Pardon me. So the trunk, I love how it opens.
Yes.
And then you can put the seats down and look at the big screen that we have back there.
Ah, very cool.
So this is an all-around, very well family off-roading car. If you're a traveling family, this is the perfect vehicle for you. It's super cozy.
I like it.
Even if you're a single traveler that just likes to have extra space, you throw
It's
a
very
mattress
cool.
in the back, take a nap on the road.
So does this have like a little button I can press to close this?
So this one is just, it's not automatic.
Oh, you just pull it in.
Like a door.
And I got a full-size tire.
You got a full-size tire, yes. And so as you see our lights right here, these
That's
are
where the
actually
camera is back there.
inspired by Chinese lanterns. So like I said, we have a lot of those little Easter eggs on the car. So if they're based in China or if you know about Chinese culture, you will see little things and you're like, hey, I can see where that comes from.
I like the name of it, Tank.
I know. And then so our Tank 700 is going to be the same, upgraded model, and that one will actually have a laser, so it'll be more efficient when it comes to the parking assist and the self-driving features.
Let me jump in.
Or yes, please check it out.
So this is the Tank 500.
A lighter system.
Oh.
And our newer model, the 700,
So you can do little adjustments. You can do the adjust the volume, temperature. This is very cool. Ooh. This is the Tank 500. So when is this going to be available?
we're still working on a set date, but just know it is in the process. It is available currently in China.
Very cool. Thank you so much.
Of course, thank you so much.
Uh-huh.
Have a great day. Enjoy
You too.
the later.
Will do. Thank you. So there you have it. The Tank 500 from China. All right, so let's see what else they have. There's the Way G9.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Great Wall Motor Vehicles at CES.
Great Wall Motor Vehicles.
Our
by
Tech-Turing
GWM.
conference will officially start in 5 minutes. Please kindly set your mobile phones to silent or vibration mode.
And this
Thank you for your cooperation.
is the Way 07. So this is where you come to CES. Hello.
Questions about this car you can ask me?
Yes. May I go in once he's all done?
Yes.
Okay. So this is available in China only, not here yet?
Right now it's only in China and Mexico, but they are expanding the market more internationally.
Oh,
So
okay.
eventually you will be here.
So eventually it'll be here.
Yeah, definitely.
It's cool though. Well, I'll look at the back while he looks at the front. And is it electric?
It's hybrid.
Hybrid, okay.
It's 6 seats. There's
Let me jump in. It's a 7-passenger van. I'm going to take in the front a little bit once this gentleman is finished. So this is the Way.
yeah, there's also a top display tablet. You can control by the dashboard.
Right.
So there's a screen here back to you. You can play videos, play everything from the back as well. Two
Very
different
cool.
displays on the front. They're separate, so one for the driver, one for the passenger. You can adjust the temperature, the light, basically everything.
Yeah.
It's driven by air.
Hello, hello. How are you?
So we have like voice assistant, pre-round, change the
medium
speed
promise.
limit, and curbside stop, everything like that.
Love it.
The seats provides not just heating but also 8-point massage. And then in the middle, there is a mini compartment, so you can freeze things, you can heat up things in the car, and you can adjust the temperature from the dashboard.
So that's just like the Tank, right?
Yeah.
While he does that, can I see the trunk?
Yeah, definitely. The truck can take pretty much.
Ooh.
Yeah, the truck can contain two 24-inch suitcases plus one 22-inch suitcase.
Okay.
So it's pretty big.
And then I can just close. All right, that's the way 07. And as soon as he's finished, I'll jump in.
I will have the host to make a 1 minute announcement.
Oh.
麻烦你再告诉他们下次。
Ah, okay. All right. So this, that guy was never coming out. Oh, they've already put it in a different mode. That's the refrigerator thing that's at the other car. I broke it and I can't get it back. But they're gonna start a demo. All right, thank you.
You can come back later, definitely?
Yes, I will come back. Thank you. What's under the hood for the hybrid model? That's the GWM. Great Wall Motors makes sense. Great Wall of China. This
Ladies and gentlemen, good morning. Welcome to the 2026 GWM Tech Sharing Conference. GWM is the global intelligent tech company. We have come all the way to CES, the ultimate stage of AI.
Okay. So this is John Deere. John Deere. I don't know if this tractor is autonomous, but they have a lot of autonomous equipment. Because, believe it or not, okay, it is autonomous. The big thing on top there is autonomous. So, the thing with farming that nobody thinks about is, maybe, I don't know if it's autonomous, I'll go ask. The thing with farming is that there is a shortage of farmers. And because there's a shortage of farmers, they create these autonomous vehicles to help the farmers do their jobs. Now this machine, see the size of that guy standing next to it? That gives you an idea of how big this thing is. It's like 2 stories at least. You can see the size of the tire compared to that gentleman. That gentleman is about the same height as I am. This tire, is as tall as I am, and I'm at 6'2" or 6'1". It's big. It's really, really big. This machine is ridiculously huge. Oh, sorry. Okay, let's see if I can go. He's just having so much fun, it's crazy. Because look at the size of this thing. Alright, so we gotta go up this big thing. Now, we need to hold on. It is very steep. Okay. So now you're like way up here, and everyone else looks like super tiny down there, because it really is huge. Okay, so now you go into the cab, and the cab is amazing. Oh, now I see why, because the seat, it goes up and down. It's very cool. You got your little controls here. Ooh, and it swivels. Wow. Oh my God. And the steering is tiny. Gears and everything. You got a windshield wiper. Look at the size of the windshield wiper. It's huge. Okay. All right. Let me get out. It's surprisingly big. Look at how steep that is. You do have to turn sideways. So let me do that. Because it is a tricky one. Definitely don't want to fall off the tractor at CES. Alright, and I'm down.
I know.
Alright. That was interestingly fun. It is quite a ride to get up there. It is not autonomous, but it's huge. So this is the view from the front, and it's used to harvest corn. So yes. So believe it or not, there is a shortage of farmers in the U.S. Alright, so they got boats. So John Deere is not to be outrun. There is Caterpillar. And Caterpillar has very similar technology. Hi. Very similar technology to John Deere. But they didn't bring like a big harvester. They just have a digger. That's here. Now Caterpillar does have autonomous trucks. They just didn't bring one for this year. But they do have autonomous trucks. Okay.
You gonna participate?
Yes. Let me take a picture and then I'll try to look at it later.
Register, come find one of us, we'll have meetings to give you.
Oh,
That's
okay,
your
cool.
first prize.
Thank you. Yeah, I'm videotaping so I can't.
That's what I figured.
Yeah, but I'll
you'll
come
see-
back.
You'll see us around.
Perfect. Thank you. So now we got boats. That's NVIDIA. Oops, I'm sorry. QR code just gets me. Just give me the URL, but I know they want to track it. So now we're going to go into boating. I'm sorry. I love boats, but I don't want a boat. I am seeing it first. What am I seeing first?
So C-Rate 360 as far as tech goes.
Okay.
This actually has a 6 stereo camera auto docking system on it, so it'll dock the boat for you.
Oh, okay.
It has 3 425 outboards that are fairly new.
I guess that's pretty powerful.
That's pretty powerful. So if you walk around the other side, there's a prototype of an 808 horsepower V12.
So what size are these?
These are 425,
25 horsepower.
horsepower, and there's 3 of them. That one's I think it's like a 7.6 liter.
So that's like 0 to 60 in 1 second.
Well, it's still a boat. It's still pretty heavy. I think this boat does like low 60s, which
that's fast for a boat,
that's
right?
fast for a boat. It's not fast for a car, but it's definitely fast for a boat.
Very cool.
But yeah, so it's got the 6.
So the docking system is the thing.
Yep.
Very cool. So what's that big thing on top of there?
So that's a radar.
Okay.
It's like a long range radar. Like you can see weather and
that's very
it's
cool.
like miles versus a car that's maybe a couple hundred meters.
Yeah. Okay. And it's not like you can't sleep in it and stuff.
You can. There's a little cabin. See this door that's open?
Oh, you can go down. Okay.
Yeah, there's a little.
That's
there's
nice.
A toilet, bathroom, shower in there as well ahead. Same thing on that one. That one has a head down.
You can just go down.
Be berth in the front.
Because it is pretty deep. It's deeper than it looks.
Yeah, this side folds down, so you can kind of get like an extra like spot to stand on.
Oh, okay.
You know?
There we go.
Here. But yeah.
Impressive.
It has a full joystick system on it, so you can like dock it with a joystick if you wanted to.
Or you can just press it with an automatic button.
Yeah. So the joystick's pretty cool because you can spin it on its axis.
Yeah.
You know, like in
that's cool.
Try and dock it by itself.
Excellent. And so this is like a little screen thing that comes out, right?
Sunshade that comes back.
Okay.
Because people in the back would be getting baked under the sun, so this allows the hardtop to kind of cover them up.
I like it. Okay, so I guess I'm seeing it first.
Yeah, you are seeing it first.
So how much was like something like this run?
This is around $800,000
Okay.
dollars US. That one I think is like 400 some thousand.
Got you. So with boats, can you lease them like you lease a car?
I don't know if you can lease them. What you can do though is you can go. Park Brunswick is Freedom Boat Club, which is like a boat club ownership kind of thing, where you pay a monthly fee and you get access to boats that you can go use. Sort of like you hear, like people that have like they live on a racetrack or something, and they get a certain amount of miles or hours or whatever on the track by themselves. Same thing. You can
same concept.
And you get so many different boats you can go pick, and you can go to different locations and stuff without having to kind of lock into one brand, one location.
Right, exactly.
And it's great because you can use the boat, and when you're done, you give it back.
That's it. I'm done.
And you're back to.
Okay.
If you want to take a different boat next week at a different location, great. It's there.
They do something similar with airplanes.
Yeah. Yep. It's almost like a partial ownership kind of thing, but you're not really.
You don't really own it, right?
You're just paying a rental fee.
Yeah.
And
all right.
You can use it wherever you want.
Very cool. Well, thank you.
Yeah.
Appreciate it. All right. All right. So they here. That's the cockpit of the Sea Ray, and that purple line thing is where you can go downstairs. All right. Sorry. So that's the big engine. The 425 V10. I think I remember seeing this here last year. That one is just so if you got 800 grand, you're in. That one there, just a smaller version. All right. We press on. Sonatas. Chevrolet. Where AI meets SDV. 7-1, I mean, it's, it's, you have to use AI in everything, right? Because if you don't, for some reason, people won't think it's worth anything. So alright, so, not sure what's behind here, but they have a special entrance for media. Here we go. So this is all Hyundai. So Hyundai launched a lot of robotics yesterday, and that's kind of what you're seeing here.
There will not be enough labor to maintain our standard equipment. And depending on what industry you all are in, you may have already felt this. Labor shortages are being felt across multiple industries. And so, now is the time for us to invest in mobile robotics
Labor shortage.
that offer automation without
Interesting,
fixed
right?
infrastructure.
Okay, so these were the robots that they showed
Our goal is really
yesterday.
simple: to build those general purpose robots that can do useful work for humans. With us, for us, making humanity better and extending our human potential. Now, what do you need in order to actually have general purpose robot? You need robots that understand their surroundings. They understand the context of where they are
These are from
and what they
Boston
need to
Dynamics.
do that useful work. And finally, it's great to collect data about the world, to observe the world. But robots that are actually doing real valuable work need to be able to touch and manipulate anything in the world. So as an industry, here's where we are today at Boston Dynamics. In terms of go anywhere, we've pretty much got that nailed. You know, these robots, as you've just seen in this incredible dance, they're extremely agile platforms. And not only can these robots go anywhere a person can go for our person-designed worlds, but they can even go places people can't, like nuclear radiation zones, deep into mines, dangerous areas. In terms of understanding their surroundings, we're getting closer. With the advent of generative AI, now our robots can better understand their surroundings. What you're seeing here is a robot that's dynamically avoiding obstacles that could be dangerous to it. A ladder, a wire to get tangled up in. And then finally, on manipulate anything, boy, you're seeing something behind you that's pretty exciting. This is the holy grail of robot. It's really going to shine in an incredible way.
Robot.
Give that robot a brain
That you
and let's
see
be able to manipulate anything
over
to
here.
that valuable work. You're going to see a lot of robots probably here at CES. And these are the things.
So last year they had a bunch of robots, but this year they had even more robots. Okay, so now Hyundai.
It absolutely must be dependable, safe, and valuable. And now, in this great new world, we're going to be using AI.
So did the Hyundai Motor Group buy Kia Motors? And this is the autonomous. So this is this is your robotic caddy. Yeah, that's cool.
그거를 저희가 직접 해서 배를 양산해서 한국 같은 경우는 저희가 기본적으로 로봇 SI를 할 수 있는 업체들이랑 파트너십을 하고 있어요. 그 업체들 통해서 상공을 좀 개발해가지고 주문 제작이 많죠. 왜냐면은 보통 고객들별로 그 VOC가 다르기 때문에 하나의 모델로 사실 나가기 좀 힘들고, 그래서 초기에는 좀 주문 제작으로 저희가 대응을 하고.
I think it's time to change the battery. It's like a little scooter you just jump on and set. So it is actually the time to charge the batteries. So they use a portable battery to charge a portable battery, the onboard battery. Oh no, it's plugged in. That's cool. That thing to move the car. It's pretty impressive. Okay, so that's the Hyundai Ioniq 5 Robotaxi, which is coming up, which is cool. And that's going to be launching in Las Vegas soon, apparently, is what I'm being told. And that's the Kia that Hyundai actually owns Kia. Did not know this. And so this is a really cool way to move cars around. You can see what they do there. So basically that thing just picks it up and moves it across the way. So it's called a parking robot. So if you suck at parking, this is a cool way for you to park your car. Okay, so now they're going to do a demonstration. So let's watch.
자율주행 차량은 아이오닉 5를 택시는 자동차와 옵션없이 동개발한 완전 자율주행 차량입니다. AI를 기반으로 300m방 렌즈의 모습이 강하게 충전할 수 있고 무엇보다 정밀, 활용을 탑하는 사람들이 좋아해서 크게 마음을 줄 수 있는 장점입니다. 또 하나 소개해드리고 싶은데요. 나의 주차 로봇.
Okay, so there's a parking thing.
주차 로봇은 이제는 3.4톤의 차량을
So it basically, it'll pick the car up and move itself into space, into place, right? So,
그러면 저희는 다음 공간으로 가도록 하겠습니다. 혹시 궁금할 수 있으신가요? 네. 그러면 저희 다음 공간으로 이동하도록 하겠습니다. 사람이 많기 때문에 조심해서 이동하시겠습니다.
so earlier, like in the videos, it'll move over to the car, pick it up. This is what it's doing now. It turns sideways. It's trying to show you how flexible it is. And that's what's moving that car in the back. Imagine how really strong this thing is, right? I think it's probably going to get ready. There we go. And it lifts the entire car. and it's just gonna move it. I could see this working amazingly in New York. Imagine moving an entire car, right? So towing your car is much easier now.
So that's the robotics, they're all different parts. I think I'm not sure, but
And that part's gonna come out.
so they're all different.
And that other one comes out. So that is how you move a car using this new system. And then that's a robo-taxi.
That uses the remote control. The other versions are going to be the Pro that has autonomous navigation.
Ah,
So that over there is an urban hopper, which is a scooter on top of the moped.
I
That's a
gotcha.
Caddy on top of the moped.
I
That will
gotcha.
give coaching assistance and course analysis.
Very cool, thank you.
Very cool. It's the winner of the Best of Innovation Award in Robotics this year.
I like it because it actually makes sense, practical
Very
sense.
rad. Wow.
Just because the people who give the awards are golfers, so they're happy. They're like, yes!
I think it's going to go very well in Vegas, I think for sure.
Oh God, yes.
Where are you from?
Houston.
Okay.
This is really nice though.
There'll be a full presentation at 11:45 also.
Okay.
저희가 일단은 그런데 중간에 만들어놓는 거를 그거를 가져오고.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
You too.
As well.
Yes.
But so it is certified under U.S. Federal Motor Vehicle Safety Standards.
Okay.
So super safe. Some of the things that makes it super safe is all of our sensors that are on it. So we use cameras as sensors, radar and lidar. So that makes it able to navigate even in dusty environments, or if there's pedestrians, vehicles, or cyclists moving, it's able to predict their movements and move according to them.
There we go.
And it'll predict these movements up to 300 meters away. So that's a lot of distance between you and that cyclist that's driving around doing wheelies, right? And then it also has autonomous hardware and software that is integrated from the manufacturing stage. So that's unlike a lot of other autonomous driving vehicles on the market. So these technologies are able to work seamlessly together from the very beginning.
Yeah, okay.
And then we also have it's developed by Motional and Hyundai Motor Group. So you've got experts in their field backed by this giant conglomerate. So you have the two number ones in their field just working together to drive this perfect vehicle. And then over here I have our automatic charger. It does have a monitor over here, and it uses sensors as well to navigate its way to the charging port, so that way you get no scratches back there. And it is able to intuitively kind of see what's in its surroundings. So it'll light up red if there's anything in its way, and it won't injure or hurt anyone. It'll just wait for that to kind of dissipate. It has a self-diagnostic system, so it's able to self-solve most of the issues that happen.
That's cool.
With its IP65 rated, waterproof and dustproof design. It's able to operate even in intense weather conditions, including rain, snow, and temperatures ranging from 5 degrees Fahrenheit to 104 degrees Fahrenheit. So really extreme temperatures right there.
That's good.
Yep, and then by automating this process, it enables a more accessible experience for all users, but especially users with limited mobility, because there's no longer, you're not getting in and out of your car, moving a heavy charging cable. It's just connecting as soon as the charging port recognizes that your car is nearby. Now, our ACR is compatible with other autonomous vehicles in their charging ports, so it isn't just usable with our
With this
car.
Hyundai, okay, yeah.
And if you have any other more specific questions, I do have our team from Motional here for the car, and then also our automatic charging robot has a team here as well. And then there's a
very
QR
cool.
code on the wall you can also scan.
You get
for
more information.
Yeah.
Cool. I have driven the Ioniq, and it's a cool car.
I do like this one. I think it drives nice and it's cute. And what more can a girl ask for, you know?
Yeah, let me know if I can answer any questions about the Robotics.
Sure. So she mentioned it was going to be in Vegas soon.
Yeah, right now Motional has testing operations in Las Vegas. And
Okay.
that's what we're like really focused on. With the commercial launch, hopefully coming shortly this year.
Gotcha.
Coming soon,
Gotcha. Very cool.
Yeah.
Yeah, I do want you to beat that other guy.
So we'll get it moving soon.
All right, cool.
It uses those to navigate its way across the floor. So anyway, you also see it in our demo video up there.
Ah, okay.
So it uses those spots on the floor to navigate its way around. So anywhere where you see those trails of spots, it's able to operate.
So when you do the home version, I'm going to have to put those little things on my garage floor. Okay. But that's cool.
Right?
So I kept thinking, so when the guy with the... Temporal, the checking our systems.
Right now, it is going to end its sequence of pedestrians, vehicles, and cyclists.
So it uses radar and LiDAR.
And navigate safely even in a really complex environment.
So I spent a long time at Hyundai, but the car still isn't working. And so I figured I'd go look at the Lambo. Or is it? Yeah. I've been to the Lamborghini plant. It is the coolest thing ever. Alright. So trying to find more cars. We're in the car tech, EV tech, green tech.
That we're in today. Now this is one.
The thing is that you've heard. I see something that looks like an
For
airplane.
everybody who's listening in or passing by or who will catch this later, when you look at this booth, when you look at really the thread or the journey of the electron, from its rawest form to how it's
advanced, air mobility,
reimagined and re-leveraged into the vehicle, how it transforms you, or really just a different way to solve age-old challenges. What's the one thing, Sean, that you're most excited about and you want people to kind of stop by?
So that's the engine.
To fleets, right?
Wow.
And the strategy and these different adjacent markets that we're expanding relatively.
Shaping future flight, advanced air mobility.
Customers today and our future customers tomorrow, it's really important for them to know that our underlying mission remains the same, which is to help them solve a problem and to meet their needs in the best possible way that we can. We have decades of experience in doing that, all out 24/7, 8 weeks to help them get their product out the door on time with value and quality. And that mission is functional.
And now, what have we got here? Every time I come to CES, there's a new aircraft that they have. It's insane. controlling. Now this looks like another model that's out there. Or this is cleaning a carpet. It's a four-seater. Just a cockpit area. Simba Motors.
And we are happy this we recently completed the acquisition of Hyundai. This will allow us to accelerate the business development of fleet management
Audio Foundry. Guess that's the Cyber truck. Powered by Eve AI. Got cool little cars. So this is just 3D printing.
Sorry. Oh, it was on that one.
I think of a cool little 3D cars. Let's see. May I have one, please?
How far does this go?
Thank you. All right, this is so light. So I guess they're showing you the capabilities.
I see you. I know you want one too. I'm supposed to probably.
Wow. Oh, sorry.
Hey, how you doing?
What you can't smell is this is what creates these little models here, but it's really what creates the parts that they're using for all the stuff that they're building. There's a cool little car. So basically, at CES, again, it's EV. This is where the trend is going, and it's also robotics. I guess when you humanize a robot, it makes it better. Also makes it scary though. Humanoid. Schaefer. Then it drops them on there and then you're good to go. Picks up another 2. Just looks so scary. Okay, we'll do it again. Oops, now it's got 3. It's just randomly picking up a bunch of them though. It's like whatever it gets, it gets. So you just use, robots to do repetitive tasks that annoys humans. That's from Schaefer. Okay. So we've reached the end of the internet, not quite. But this just gives you a sense that this is all the stuff that's in the West Hall. So it's basically automotive and robotics. And this is the Lynk Co 900. Look, it has little eyes. Woo-hoo. Versatile, intelligent cabin. Wait for this to get out. The cabin actually looks really cool. I'm gonna wait until they get out. I'm gonna try opening in the trunk. I'm guessing. Oh, you can plug stuff back here. And you can press that. I can press this one. That should drop this. Press it again.
Something.
Yeah. Oh, I think it's that. It's moving. Press it again and you'll see. Is it moving? Watch.
Oh, trailer hitch.
Yeah, it's a trailer hitch, yeah. So there should be something that opens this piece.
Have it locked out. This should be the.
That's for the seats. There we go. That works. All right. I like the colors. Maybe it's just, no, it's not just that. Oops, it is just that. And then everything goes together. All right, very cool. All right, so let's go inside and see what we got inside. Somehow this looks a lot like the other car I was just in. The thing with these cars that I do like is that, okay, I'm just trying to adjust the seat. I think it's back as far as it can. But let's go back to home screen. Ooh, it's massaging my back. Driver massage, full body relief. I need that. Good massage. I think this is made by that same Great Wall company, or Great Wall Motors, because this is all the same. This is the charging stuff for the batteries. This is all the same here. This one doesn't have the refrigerator, but it's the same concept that's there. Let's see, driving. Smart hybrid control. The massage is actually very good. Display, driving assist, got the lights. You can look at photos that's on your phone. Trying to see if there's a refrigerator. So that's the refrigerator, and this one is in a different position. It's back here. Okay. And you can do it to heat stuff or refrigerator door. So when I press that little button back there, where is it? Refrigerator door. That piece opened up. And there's a refrigerator back there. You can just close it back. But if you press refrigerator door again, maybe. Cool. Lights. I was hoping to see what the map looks like. This is very cool. It's like all the displays, everything is in there, and it's comfortable. But it's manual window thing, not like the other one. It's a big screen back here. Ooh, that's cool. Did you see the thing? When you open that, that comes out so you can step in it. When you close it, excellent. When you open it, it comes out. Very cool. Okay. So there you have it. This is from the West Hall. A lot of the car innovation. I'm sure I missed some, but just keep watching. You'll see a lot more here on the channel.